G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at potentially your new dream home site, 32 Ocean Outlook in the popular bayside suburb of River Heads. You really do need to take to the air to appreciate the location. Let's go up and have a look around. 32 Ocean Outlook River Heads is an elevated 2,000 square metre allotment with a gradual fall to the back, offering a multitude of building options. Keen anglers will note that the Riverheads boat ramp and pontoon are only minutes away, which is the gateway to access the Great Sandy Straits, K'gari, Fraser Island, and both the Mary and Susan rivers, which are a boating, fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You'll also enjoy the convenience of having local convenience stores and Hervey Bay's essential amenities, all only a short drive away, including the airport and airport shopping precinct, shopping centres, including Stockland and Pialba Place, hospitals, Hervey Bay Golf Course, the Hervey Bay Marina, Hervey Bay's beautiful Esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the beach. This great block is build ready and blocks in this area are becoming rarer, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.